So as Hindalco has been for the last 64 years a trusted provider of aluminium and copper to the country and our customers. And I think that this branding that we are going to launch today is an inflection point, because Hindalco is evolving from an upstream metal provider to a valued, engineered, co-collaborated with our customers solution provider. So this is the main part of the branding, that we move from just being known as an upstream player to being known as an engineering company that creates value-added products and solutions for our customers. One good example is the lithium-ion electric battery that's used in car mobility. So we have been working with our customers to create holding cases for these batteries that are made out of aluminium. We are working on ways that we can protect these batteries from collisions using aluminium cells. We are also working with many of the battery makers who are going to be setting up in India by providing aluminium foil and copper foil. So these are some of the examples that shows you in many of these emerging fields where you need engineered products. Hindalco is working with their customers to do that. So commercial vehicles is actually, as you said, a huge space where people are trying to get more fuel efficiency, reduce emission norms, lightweight them, try to get them to use electric batteries. So this is a prime place where aluminium and copper play a very important role. So we are working with our customers on how can we lightweight the commercial vehicles. So for example, for the last mile vehicle, we are trying to put the aluminium containers at the back that can lightweight the last mile delivery vehicles. Commercial vehicles as well, there is a lot working on trying to make the chassis out of aluminium that will lightweight it. So lightweighting has another benefit, because it allows you then to increase the amount that the commercial vehicles can carry, which is always an important commercial point. So for us, commercial vehicles, buses are some of the most important places where we believe that aluminium can make a big difference. Aluminium and copper. So aluminium has got the advantage that it's infinitely recyclable. So what happens is that increasingly you can do a full circular economy. So what you use as a packaging can be recycled into a new can. What you use for aluminium for an auto can be recycled to make new sheets for the auto. So that is where our big push is going into aluminium on recycling. Now if I come to copper as well, many of you use computers, white goods, all those have PCB and electronic boards, which we now have setting up a factory to extract the copper, the gold and the rare earths from those electric waste and reuse them. So for us in Hindalco, recycling, or what we call urban mining, is a big direction and push. I think that, for the group, our purpose is to be a force for good. So we see ourselves as helping the Viksit Bharat program as India develop. So for us, building affordable housing, building and construction, energy, renewable energy, hybrid energy, this is our focus. On automotive, it's again electrification, lightweighting, electric batteries. And last but not the least, the defense needs of India. So we want to be also providing metal for defense and aerospace for the Indian economy. So on the railways, we were the first ones to come up with an all aluminium rake for the transportation of coal, which means that with an aluminium rake, A, the maintenance goes down, and B, you can carry 20% more weight. So we were the pioneers along with BESCO that came out with the first all aluminium rake. We are also working on trying to do aluminium bodies, because if you want to run fast trains in India, then the bodies as well will have to be made from aluminium. So we are working very closely with the government, because the government wants high-speed trains, they want metros, and worldwide these trains are made from aluminium and the electrification is done with copper. So both of which Hindalco is well positioned to serve.